If you're serious about building linear amplifiers, you're in the right place. Welcome to Hood's Finds, your go-to resource for linear amplifier build guides. Today, we're taking a closer look at our master volume reference set. This collection includes every build guide, tribute volume, and encyclopedia we offer. The master volume reference set includes all 9 linear amplifier volumes. You'll get access to detailed build guides, schematics, and troubleshooting tips. Everything you need to build and maintain your own linear amplifiers. At Hood's Finds, we're passionate about helping you build and learn. Our guides are written by experienced builders for builders. We've got the expertise and knowledge to help you succeed. The Master Volume Reference Set is available now for just $34.99. You can purchase it directly from our Gumroad store. Get instant access to all 9 volumes and start building today. Head to Gumroad to get your Master Volume Reference Set now.